Mr. Zoo, you need to see this.
You won't understand.
Why is your face like this?
Guy, I am tired of watching match every day in my phone. Tired of just subscribing and be watching match. I think I just need to buy a small television. Just, if I can just buy a TV set, I can just put in my house. At least I won't be disturbing myself watching matches in my phone.
Hey, Mr. Zoo, that one is a very small thing now. All you need to do is go to the shop. They have so many vendors. You have LG, Samsung, Hisense, so many of them. Just go to the shop and buy one.
But then, you won't understand. I know there are those shops before I start talking to you. But I just want you to understand me. I just need Belgium or Tukumbo television. I can buy, even if I can buy from somebody or anything. I just need just a television I can just buy. I don't have that much money to go to Samsung shop. I know how much they're selling there.
Mr. Azu, see, I don't advise you buy anything second hand. I don't advise you buy Tukumbo or even Belgium as they call it. Because these things, they don't actually last too. So if you just relax, save money and buy a brand new TV. That one will be better for you. At least you have a warranty.
You are right. But at least you can get a legit one from... I just need a legit. Just help me just look around. If you see, just let me know. I can just buy. But I just need it urgently. I'm tired of watching the live match with my phone.
Okay, no problem. If I see anyone, I will surely let you know. But Mr. Azu, you need to watch this. See, look at it. Besten. Makoko.
My own Besten.
My only snitch. I'm not a snitch. What are you doing with the television?
Leave this television. Besten, what I want now is help. I want you to help me. Because hungry will kill this your brother that you are seeing here. Let hungry not go and kill me. I just need you to help me with 1,000 naira. You know, Biko. No, it's not. You are not dashing me. You are borrowing me.
Don't say anything about money. Because whenever it comes to money, you don't pay back.
Have I not all the money I have been borrowing from you? Have I not been paying? Oh, leave that one. This is new year, new life. I have changed. Have you not noticed that I'm changing? Besten, look, hungry will kill me. I'm not asking you to dash me money. All I'm asking is just borrow me. I will pay you back tomorrow.
Mark, that is not even the issue here. The issue is that all the one I've been borrowing you, have you ever paid back?
But I will pay this one. This one now I will pay. This one is a different one. Because this one I have look, this television is collateral. I have brought the television so that if I don't pay you the money, you can take the television. You hold the television. When I pay you back your 1,000 naira, you give me back my television. This television is 100,000 naira. 100,000 naira. I want to use it and borrow 1,000 naira. You should know that I'm ready to pay you your money. Besten, no hungry.
Okay, fine, Mark, fine, okay. See, I will give you this 1,000 naira. But make sure you return my money.
I will return your money. Is it not 1,000 naira?
What am I even scared of? After you have given me collateral. So if you don't return the money, I will sell this television.
Just know that this television is 100,000 naira.
Take. This is 1,000 naira.
Thank you.
Mark! I thought you just say you needed money to eat.
All of them is to eat. I will pay you back your money tomorrow. If I don't pay you back, you collect the television. Remember that this television is 100,000 naira. Don't go and useless my I don't want anything to scratch my television. If not, me and you just hold the television like that. If I don't pay you tomorrow, then you can take the television. I dash you. It's agreement that we have now.
You too. If you don't pay back the money tomorrow, I will sell the television. Rubbish.
Just that because you people see me now, I am now for the Christmas now. Let me come and agree. I'm selling this watch.
Caretaker.
Look at this boy that used to sell stone in the front. Kevin came yesterday and gave me watch, and that he wants to use it and borrow money from me, 500 naira. I said okay. He said that if he does not give me back the money today by 12 o'clock, that I should carry the watch and sell it. Now 12 have passed. He's begging me now that he has the money. This is 2 o'clock.
What rubbish?
But he has the money now. Just consider him.
He has the money now. He has the money now. But the time that he's supposed to have the money is by 12 o'clock, not 2 o'clock. Time have passed. The agreement have expired. I'm selling this watch. I use it as gift.
That sounds him right.
No, but the thing is that he has the money now. At least.
Don't say that. Agreement is agreement.
Exactly.
Don't you know the difference between 2 and 12?
It's just 2 hours now.
It's just 2 hours.
2 hours.
If he had kept to the agreement by 12, we will not be having this discussion now. Mark, you promised to get my money today, and I've not heard from you since that time. So, how far? Where's my money?
Christian, you know that that's your money. When I collected the money from you, I wanted to give you back the money. I said today I will give you back. That time has passed. But you know me, I don't.
Oh, Mark, I don't like this. I don't like this. Don't be doing, you know. Don't give me this cook and bull story. I need my money. I need my money. Don't tell me to calm down. Don't tell me I need my money. When you were collecting this money, I told you I needed this money today, and you said okay, you give me my money today. So where's my money?
See, listen. You should let it not be as if you're insulting me because of 1,000 naira. I cannot receive this insult from you because of 1,000 naira. You're insulting me. Look at how you are raising your voice. If Wanyocha or Mimi come out now, you tell them that a caretaker collected 1,000 naira.
So I'm now shouting. I'm now shouting for you. But when you wanted to collect this money, you came, you almost laid on the floor that, please, they stand, help me, 1,000, let me just eat. Otherwise, hunger will kill me. And I pitied your miserable life that day. And I gave you 1,000 naira. Now you're last time insulting you, Abi.
Don't talk to me like that. What is wrong with you? Did I not give you my television to hold? Television of 100,000 naira. Did I not give it to you to hold? Why are you so?
So, Mark, it has nothing to this. So it has nothing to this. See, if I don't get that money today, you will see what I'll do to you. I must get that money today, because agreement is agreement. And as a reasonable person, you have to keep to agreement. What rubbish now? Caretaker. Why am I even calling you caretaker? Mark. Thank God you are here. Oh. You are even drinking juice. You are drinking juice. Hi. Atalam Shaboki. I have suffered. Mark. You are drinking juice. Why you are still owing me? You have the effrontery to be drinking juice. Well, that's your business. I just came here to inform you that you should have your TV. Since you have decided within you that you will not pay me my money, the money you came to me begging me to borrow you, and I from my whole heart gave you the money. You have refused to pay me. Don't worry. You should have your TV. I know what to do with it. And very soon you will not see that TV again, because I'm going to sell the TV. This house. Everything will bear me witness today that I have begged you for that money, but you have refused to give me the money. Don't worry. I know what to do to the TV. I know what to do with it. Mark. Oh. You are working out on me, You are working out on me. Don't worry. You can work out all you want. Work out. Keep working out. Work out all you want. I know what to do with that TV. Mr. Azu.
Christian.
You
like going with this television?
You like what you see?
Oh, brother, you know I don't have television now.
You see, I remember that you told me you needed a good Tokumbo television.
Yes.
This is it here. This is your best plug.
So tell me, how much is this one?
Actually, the price of this fine, very sharp television is 150,000. But don't squeeze your face. You know, as my friend, I'll give it to you for 15,000. Just 15,000, small money. Sharp. That's the name.
No, this television is old. This television is old for that kind of amount. How can you sell this television 15,000 naira? Now stop that thing, I beg.
No, Mr. Azu. Don't worry about the body. All you should be concerned about is what is inside. This is a multi-system, sharp.
But are you sure it's working?
It's working, everything legit. See it, I can even go inside and bring the remote. Very fast.
I'll buy for 5K. For 5K, I will buy it. If you don't like, I will leave it.
Okay, but see, the original price is 15,000. For this TV, the receipt.
Best 10. If you're not selling for 5K, let me go where I'm going and find television somewhere else.
Oh yeah, bring the money.
I hope this thing is working, oh.
It's working. I'm just doing because you are my very good friend and neighbor. Otherwise, this TV, if you go to the market, you want to buy Belgian like this, it's 150. But because of you, let me just give it.
But you should also know I'm buying it because it's you. You know, if it's caretaker, I will not buy it from him.
It does not have something to do with caretaker. This is a legit business. Wait, Mr. Azu, wait now. Wait. Let me confirm the money you gave to me.
Can't it be 5,000 naira now?
The TV is all yours. Enjoy yourself. The TV is all yours. Go and enjoy yourself.
Hey! Yeah, they have done it, oh. They have done. Where's Mr. Azu? Where is Mr. Azu? You are telling me, where is Mr. Azu?
Calm down now.
Where is Mr. Azu?
What happened?
Where is Mr. Azu?
He went out with best 10.
Good. They have thief my TV. My television that I used my money to buy. They went and thief my television.
When? How?
I just entered my house. And I saw my house is now open. Boom. My house is woken up. They have thief my television from my house. How can thief enter my compound and thief something and Mr. Azu is not backing? So they left and allowed thief to collect my television. Don't worry. Where are you people going to?
We're going for wake.
You that wakekeeping, you guys are going to keep here because you're not going anywhere. People are going to stay here and hear from me. Since people now have guns to steal from me, that is caretaker, they are going to hear from me. Stay here. Let me. I will get to the root of this.
Caretaker, I don't know anything about any TV.
People should not leave because you will hear from me. Look at them. Thieves. Look at them. They are the suspects that I am suspecting. They are the people that stole my television. It's them. Thieves. There are other ones, so Mr. Azu and Beste. This one you are seeing, these ones you are seeing here, they are thieves.
Caretaker, what is all this now?
Don't call me caretaker. You cannot be calling me caretaker and be stealing my television. How can you steal my television and you're calling me caretaker? Caretaker, thief. Look at them. Beste and Azu. Thieves. These ones are prime suspects. They are Anini. This one, Mr. Azu, he used to thief in Warri before, where he was ex-convict.
Enough of that nonsense! Who was that nonsense? Why calling me thief? Oh, is that the reason why you came back to this compound? You came to give up quick thief. Nobody's packing up on this back. Nobody's packing up on this compound. Who are you, man? Why have we ever been afraid of you? Stop that nonsense. Nobody's packing up on this compound.
Mr. Azu, calm down.
Why are you telling me to calm down? That was something you did last time. And when they were asking people to respond to landlord, everyone kept quiet. Now you have come and bring this second bell lawyer with a policeman against this compound. They want us to run in this compound. Mark, are we not going to turn up for you?
Calm down, Mr. Azu, calm down. Save your energy. Caretaker, what is happening here? Why are those people here?
No, let me back in. I entered my house this afternoon, and I saw that my door have been open. They have stolen my television.
Wait, Caretaker. What television are you talking about?
My television!
It's not the same television.
I'm telling you that they stole my television. Don't put yourself in that trouble. This is not for you. It's for Mr. Azu. Leave it. That's my television that I used to use in my house. That is the one that they stole. Yeah, asking me questions.
Okay, but you know what?
Mr. Azu, after I said it. Barrister, I said it. You are hearing it. It's Mr. Azu. Mr. Azu is Mr. Azu that stole the television, I think. It's him. It's you. I know you're involved. It's you. Thief.
Mr. Azu, first of all, let me pretend I didn't hear you address me as a charge and bail lawyer. And I wouldn't condone you spit on my personality again. From all indications, you are the prime suspect to this act. And you pray to your God you don't fall victim. We may need to search your space to look for this item.
Well, what if the television is not finding my custody? What business do I have with your TV? Mark, what is that what you come back to the compound to do? What business do I have with the TV?
Mr. Azu, calm down. You never can tell. Just see, a clear conscience holds no accusation.
Okay, right, it's okay, no problem. All right, go ahead. Go ahead. And if the TV is not finding my possession, Mark, you have...
Stop threatening us or empty threat. Stop threatening somebody. Hey, look, Mimi, follow them, let them go and search his house. Yeah, threatening us. Aya also. Thief.
Caretaker, just calm down. There's no need for this police.
You better remove your hand from this thing because you are not the target. Unless you want me to join you in this thing. Just allow me. It's not your business.
Okay.
Gentlemen, I believe you understand the case we have at hand is a criminal case. And going by the Constitution and the Criminal Code of Conduct, Section 5, Paragraph 8 II, the suspect is liable to 18 years imprisonment.
Barrister, that thing is not 18 years. You are not quoting it well. It's 20 years. I have read it before. It's 20 years. He's going to prison for 20 years. Thief.
All right, we'll find something.
Is this your television?
Oh! I told you people that this person is a thief now. This man is a thief. How did my television get to your room? How? Thief! That is my television.
Mr. Azu, this property has been found in your possession. Is it yours?
This is my television. Why are you allowing him to talk nonsense? Why are we even listening to this nonsense you are talking? Besten, this is not my television. This is my television. I bought it from Besten. Besten sold his television to me yesterday.
Hey! See what I'm seeing now. Mr. Azu, when did you buy television from me? Where? When? How? See, don't implicate me if you go and steal. Oh, don't implicate me. Carry your cross alone. The law, barrister. I don't know anything about it. I don't know anything about this TV.
Mr. Azu, if you said this property is yours, please, do you have a receipt as a proof of ownership?
He didn't give me receipt.
Oh! No evidence. No receipt. Okay, you went to Besten now as a mall. You enter Besten and buy a television. Besten have turned to LG International. Look at the kind of lie we are listening to. You're a thief. A thief without excuse. Thief.
Gentlemen, please, without wasting much time, this young man, beyond every reasonable doubt, has been found guilty as accused. Please, take him out.
Young man, sorry, you have every right to remain silent. For whatever thing you say or do now might be used against you in the court of law. Sarge, move in.
Move. Excuse me. Mark, how did you do it? Bro, I know, but I just think I really need that television. I'm tired of watching live match with my phone. Just if you see anyone that is legit, let me just buy it, please.
Okay, I will be on the lookout. Anything for you. You know you're my very good person. But you need to see this on the phone. Look at what I'm doing.
I have told you. You better pack out by yourself. Pack out of this compound by yourself. If not, you will get it hot from me. Nyushi. Thief.
Move it. It's okay. I'll follow you. Just allow him to explain. Just let him explain.
Move it. Move him.
Understand? Tell me the truth.
Move him away.
Let me talk to caretaker now.
Now you know that I'm caretaker. Now you know. He has known that I'm caretaker.
Just take it easy.
Move him away. Nobody should bury him until I come.
He's our caretaker. Let me talk. He's our caretaker.
Thanks for watching that very fun Makenje TV Vine. See you next Friday with another episode of Makenje TV Vine. If you have not watched the other video on our other channel, go and watch it right now. And don't forget that tomorrow is Mr. Lawansin Family Show. On Monday is Throwback Monday on the other channel. Don't forget. And please, I beg in the name of God, please subscribe. Subscribe to this channel. If you don't subscribe to this channel, I will cry. I know that some people will say that I should cry, but I will cry if you don't subscribe. And I know that most people will not say that. Because you are lovely, you are wonderful people. All of you are lovely people. Thank you so much for supporting this channel. Without you, I don't know what this channel will be like. But you have been there for us. God bless you so much. See you next Friday. Subscribe.
Enjoy my binu.
Subscribe.
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 Subscribe.